Some wounds don't leave scars you can see. They live quietly inside your heart, a betrayal, a broken promise, words that still echo years later. Time may pass, but somehow the hurt remains, and before long, you realize something. The person who hurt you may have moved on, but you're still carrying the weight. Welcome to the Hope Workshop, where we rebuild lives through timeless biblical wisdom. Forgiveness is one of the hardest things we're ever asked to do, not because we don't know it's important, but because the pain feels real. Sometimes we think forgiving someone means pretending nothing happened or letting them escape responsibility. But biblical forgiveness is neither of those things. It's choosing not to let yesterday continue controlling today. And few stories demonstrate that better than the life of Joseph. Joseph's own brothers betrayed him. They sold him into slavery, separated him from his father, and changed the course of his life forever. Years passed. Through many hardships, Joseph eventually became one of Egypt's most powerful leaders. Then one day, the very brothers who had betrayed him stood before him again. Joseph now held their future in his hands. He could have chosen revenge. Instead, he chose mercy. He looked beyond what had been done to him and recognized that God had been working even through the darkest chapters of his life. Joseph said words that still inspire us today. "You intended to harm me, but God intended it for good." Forgiveness doesn't rewrite history. It changes what history is allowed to do to your future. Holding on to bitterness often feels like justice, but in reality, it keeps reopening the same wound. Joseph's freedom didn't begin when he became governor. It began when he refused to let betrayal define his identity. Perhaps forgiveness isn't about saying someone deserves another chance. Perhaps it's about deciding that your heart deserves peace. If forgiveness feels impossible today, here are 3 places to begin. First, acknowledge the hurt honestly. Forgiveness isn't pretending everything is fine. Healing begins with truth. Bring your pain to God without hiding it. Second, pray for the willingness to forgive. You may not feel ready today. That's okay. Start by asking God to soften your heart. Sometimes willingness comes before forgiveness itself. Third, choose freedom one day at a time. Forgiveness is often a process. Some days you'll have to make the same decision again, and that's not failure, that's growth. In this very moment, think of someone you're struggling to forgive. You don't have to force yourself to fix everything today. Simply pray, "God, help me take the first step toward freedom." Sometimes the first step is the hardest. Nevertheless, give it your best shot, because ultimately, forgiveness opens the door to a freer future. Before we finish, I'd love to hear from you. Has there ever been a time when forgiveness brought peace into your life? Or maybe you're still walking through that journey today. Which of today's action steps speaks to you the most? And if you've learned something about forgiveness that helped you heal, share it in the comments below. Your story might become someone else's hope. Thank you for spending a few moments with us here at the Hope Workshop. If today's message encouraged you, consider subscribing for more life-changing lessons inspired by timeless biblical wisdom. Until next time, keep building, keep believing, and keep moving forward.